Oh, hi. Just reading my favorite book, really. I think it may be yours by the end of the semester. But just looking at chapter 2, reviewing the information because it's time to take a quiz. And the real goal of the quiz is to get you involved with the textbook. So I wanted you to start reading the material and getting familiar with how the textbook's organized and the reading style of the author. Now, it's kind of an interesting book in that this is a book that is provided to us at only $20 for the printed version. And I provide you with all the chapters available because the instructor, Stephen Skripak, who's from Virginia Tech, he provided the textbook for his students at a very low price. It's an introductory course at Virginia Tech, just like here at Delta College. So he wanted to make sure the book was affordable for all of his students. And that's part of the reason why I adopted the book also. So I hope you find it interesting. Chapter 2 is a really good topic, business and economics. It's in the news all the time. You're reading about a variety of issues that relate to, what's going on in the economy, and it impacts business. We can feel if we can really borrow money based on the interest rate, or if we're going to make some investments in buying some equipment or something like this, all relates to business and economics. And so I hope you enjoy the chapter, and now it's time to take that quiz. So as you start to log in and it says Skripak Chapter 2 quiz, it starts to give you a little bit of an idea that when you took the practice quiz, the same sort of approach is taken in this quiz. You can proceed through your questions, 1, and then move on to question 2, and so on and so forth until you get to the end of the quiz, and then you have a choice whether you want to submit it or not. But my recommendation is that you read through Chapter 2, and that way you're familiar with more of the phraseology and terminology that you're going to see in the questions, and then start to take a look at the questions. Some will be easy, and they'll jump out at you, and you'll know the answer right away. Others will be a little bit tougher, and you'll want to think about them, and maybe, come back tomorrow. My hope is that you start to look at the quiz early in the week so that you know what you're going to be asked, and then to continue on and prepare yourself for completing the quiz, and then hopefully reach Friday or Saturday or Sunday and submit the quiz for grading purposes. My hope is you don't wait until 11:50 p.m. on Monday night to get the quiz submitted, because then you never know what's going to happen with your online provider, or something happens at work. And I've had a variety of issues that come up with students, and I'm not overly sympathetic when you say on Tuesday, oh, I forgot about the test, or oh, something happened to my browser at 11:59 p.m. The real key is you have plenty of time to get the work done, so I want you to get it done early. That's my hope. So I hope you find Chapter 2 interesting. It's a 50-point quiz, so you can start adding on to your grade points. And again, if you have any questions about anything on any of the assignments or reading materials or anything like that, send me a question in the inbox system, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching my video. Good luck on the quiz, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.